Okay, guys, welcome. This is emailclick.com. This is one of the most comprehensive lead generation tools out there on the market today. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get inside here and show you what this software can do and how fast it basically does it. So this gives us access, EmailClick gives us access to over 500 million B2B um, uh, emails across the country, email contact data across the country and the world. As a matter of fact, so 500 million. What you're going to do, my friends, is as you see, there's about 10 different software tools inside EmailClick, and this particular software is just basically so well rounded. It does so much, and we're going to just show you a couple of things with EmailClick today. So we're going to go into the B2B companies, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to look up some companies here for you so I can show you how the B2B prospecting works with EmailClick. So we're going to go to the United States. We're going to go and look for marketers and advertisers. Okay. And then I'm going to look at small companies. So I'm going to just click here. So EmailClick will work for just a few seconds here, and it will show us the list and the size. And as you see, there's 57,613 companies, marketing and advertising companies inside of EmailClick and the database. Okay, so now this constantly is changing and updating all the time. So this is one of the great tools about EmailClick. Now, another great tool, but I haven't got to the real good stuff yet. There's one tool in here that I'm really proud of. So first of all, let me just show you this B2C local businesses. Now you can go in here and type in, again, 500 plus million businesses throughout the world. And you can go in here and just type in anything. For instance, let's say gyms. Okay. And then we can go in here again, choose a country, United Kingdom, let's say. Okay. And now we can go in and search these businesses. And basically it will give us a list of these businesses in the United Kingdom that are gyms with the phone numbers, email, and so on and so forth. And you can actually click on these if you wanted to and send all that data over to our customer management software here. And you can actually send these guys emails. Okay. So that is some of the B2B stuff in here. There's a ton more stuff in here, guys. But I want to get to something that's extremely important. One of the tools that we're most proud of. Okay, so this is a prospecting tool. It's a prospecting tool that will get information from a LinkedIn by either job title or profession. Basically, any of the filters you can put in LinkedIn. So let's go to that right now. And I'm going to click on extract emails. And what I want to do is I want to scroll to the top and I want to type in a list and create a list. Okay. So I'm looking for a list inside of LinkedIn. Let's say I'm looking for interior. How about interior designers? Right. Let's do something different. Okay. So interior design. Let's create that list. We're going to go to LinkedIn here. And now LinkedIn has a free version, which is the regular LinkedIn, and the Sales Navigator. Okay, so this will actually work on both. As you see down at the bottom, guys, I have EmailClick installed as a Chrome extension right up here. So it's actually installed as a Chrome extension. And when I go in and filter, I'm going to actually when I filter the list I want, I'm going to just come down here and click the email extractor, and it will generate that list. But I'm going to use Sales Navigator for this demonstration. Okay, so we're going to go in and I'm just going to look for interior designers. I'm going to look in, let's say, the state of California. Okay, and now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to type in the title, interior designer. Okay, in California. And now if I go to the top, it will give me a list of the interior designers that are in California. Okay, now I can actually go through this and filter out, by industry, how many employees, headcount, function, but even a company. If there's a particular interior design company that I want, I could go in and get that as well. Okay. So, but for sake of demonstration, I'm just going to put in California. I'm going to, let's see, I'll put in the industry, I'll put in design. And then we have 5,500 interior designers. And let me show you how fast email click will get that information. There's actually, let me see, there's going to be about 100 pages. So I'm going to show you very quickly by clicking the email click extractor here. You'll see my list is right here. Now, if my list was someplace else, I just very simply just click this and I can actually go in and choose another list inside email click. So I've got interior design here. I'm gonna go extract emails from this. And in just a minute, you'll see it'll load in 25 at a time, okay? So I'm actually gonna do this real time so I can show you how fast email click works. Let's shut that down right there. Okay, so what it's doing, and one of the other things about email click is it actually will work and it can scroll hundreds and hundreds of pages and not be detected. So email click is working right now. It's extracted 25 pages. It's on to 50. And I'm going to let it get to about 150 inside here now. And then we're going to show you what that data looks like, because this is some great data. We're going to get the contact name of these individuals. We're going to get their email address, their LinkedIn profile, their title, and so on and so forth. Okay. So you see we're less than a minute into this and it's already got about 75 contacts here. I'll let it go one more time. Okay. I can actually go back to the dashboard and check how many it's gotten as well. So we're going to stop this. And now I'm going to show you the data that email click has gotten. So let's go back here. I'm going to download the list in an Excel file, or I can transfer that data to a campaign. All right. And here we go. So here's our data. We'll spread that out for you. We don't need the middle name. Okay, so these are the emails here, guys. So the second email column is the one I use. And you'll see it scraped 53 in less than a minute. So you can see how fast that goes. The job title, interior design. And basically this is what we need to do our email campaigns and run traffic. Now we can do this to any industry in the world. So I hope you're getting excited about this and those wheels are spinning, because the opportunities are amazing when you have the ability to contact anyone basically that's on LinkedIn, or that you can get information from in any of the business the databases that I showed you before. Okay, guys. So that is emailclick.com. Again, I think it's 99 bucks right now. That is going to be a price that sticks. We wanted to come in and give everybody a great value, and there is just a ton of things you can do inside email click, guys. So that was the demonstration for LinkedIn, and it is one of the best tools and the fastest tools out there. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. We shall see you soon.